Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Is your Frigidaire Countertop ice maker not working in 2025? Whether it's not making ice, stuck on add water, or just won't start, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get it running again. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Unplug and inspect the unit. Start by unplugging the machine from the wall. Wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Check the water level. Make sure the water reservoir is filled with clean, filtered water. If it's too low or empty, the machine won't start. Also check that there are no air bubbles trapped in the line. Refill slowly to avoid this. Step 3. Clean the machine. Mineral buildup can block sensors. Use a vinegar water solution or a dedicated ice machine cleaner to gently clean the water tank, metal prongs, and sensors. Then rinse thoroughly. Step 4. Make sure the basket is in place. Sometimes the machine won't work if the ice basket isn't properly seated. Remove it, then reinsert it securely. Step 5. Check for error lights. Many Frigidaire models show warning indicators like add water or ice full. If the ice full light is on when the basket is empty, clean the sensor with a dry cloth and restart the machine. Extra tip, if you hear the fan or motor running but no ice is being made, the refrigerant may be low. In that case, you'll need to contact customer support. And that's it. With these easy steps, your ice maker should be back to producing fresh cubes. If this guide helped, be sure to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.